Hey everyone, it's Savy
and Marcella,
and we have a holiday sweater party coming up, so we decided to DIY our own sweaters and show you how we're going to do it.
Let's get started. So the first step is to get a sweater. You can look through your closet and see sweaters that you're not wearing anymore, or you can go to Buffalo Exchange and pick a sweater, like we did.
And while we were out, we stopped by the dollar store and picked up our lovely craft supplies we're going to be using today. And in total, I think it only cost us about $30.
Not bad.
I tried to just draw a cactus and I royally messed up, so I decided to get one right on a piece of paper, cut that out, and now I'm going to use that as a guide for my cactus, and hopefully I get it right this time. So this is my decorated cactus. I gave it this little flower or star, whatever you want, up here in the corner, and now I'm going to glue it to my sweater, if Marcella lets me use that hot glue gun. No! Why is this happening?
Are you guys ready to see the final product?
I am.
Okay.
Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It looks like a present!
Yes!
It's super on point.
Yeah. I love your little star here. It's super cute.
Thank you. And it says Cac-tis this season. You should go try them on.
Yes, let's do it. Thank you so much for hanging out with us while we were doing the holiday sweaters. I think it looks pretty sharp.
I would say so. And we hope that this video has inspired you to DIY your own sweater this season. But if you're not feeling as crafty as we were today, you can always stop by your local Buffalo Exchange for a ready-to-go holiday sweater. Bye!